Hello and welcome. Today what we're going to do, what we're going to attempt to do, because we've been attempting it for the last day, is remove these. We've tried tar and glue remover, sticky stuff, we've tried loads of stuff, to the point where we've near enough got no skin left on our fingers. Gone and got a toffee wheel, hopefully that will remove it. Let's see. Looks like it's going to do the job. So thankfully this toffee wheel has managed to do the job. We're just going to use a little tar and glue remover to get the last of the residue off and then give the car a wash, but we'll show you after picture once everything's done. Alright, so gave the car a little rinse. Heaven's opened on us also, but this is it after the tar and glue remover and the toffee wheel. It's all come out nice.